How to cut a mango, take 422. So, butter knife, and full disclaimer, this is absolutely not sharp in any way, shape, or form, okay? Not all butter knives are dull, be careful. But, dull knife, or dull enough, it's not gonna go through this mango skin because it has no edge, so you're able to make your cuts like this. And you could start scooping at this point if you want the long slices. You could also dice it, cube it, whatever size you really want it at this stage. And again, you can scoop this out with a spoon. Just dig in with the nose to get it started, and then you can follow it around. Okay, but before I go all the way to there, I'm going to show you this other one, which you can do to have fun with, and you can just pull them off like that. So let's put it back. It's fun for the kids to pluck it off of there. Spoon method. You just got to kind of follow it where it wants to give. You can do this with an avocado too. So if you've ever done that, you got the general idea. But there it is. And come back around, and you're pretty clean. I mean, a few spots that didn't want to come loose, but there you have it. Your yarmulke, sir. And so